Boom, what is going on, guys? It's Sean Boyle with Momentum 360. Hope you all had a great weekend. In this video, I'm going to be talking about our new wedding service, and we're starting right now.
What's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and click that little bell too, so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. You will be the first person to know. Thank you so much for the support, and now the video you've been wanting to watch.
All right. What's going on, guys? So I hope everybody had a tremendous weekend. I was down the shore in Asbury Park, and man, it's just a great time to get down there with some friends. Had a good time, and what can I say? It's the summer, so we got to live it up, right? So, guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about our new wedding service. So, obviously, at Momentum 360, we do a lot of real estate focused content. So, virtual tours, 3D rendering, virtual staging, photos, obviously, drone, obviously, okay? But as we started to branch out and we really were like, okay, how can we expand the Momentum 360 name? We really were thinking about getting into weddings, which is what we did. So we partnered with the company, one of our micro brands actually, called Wedding Photographers Philly. If you guys want to check it out, go to weddingphotographersphilly.com. You can see all of our wonderful work on here. We've shot about a dozen weddings in the Philadelphia area thus far, and I cannot wait to shoot yours. So all you have to do to get a quote is there's two ways. One, go to weddingphotographersphilly.com, put in all your information right here. And then if you want to go over to the Momentum 360 site, take it as you're doing a project with us, just like any other project. So get a free quote. Once the pop-up comes up, put that in and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. Really excited to get into weddings. This is something that the team has been trying to get across for some time now. And while we're at it, I will say, guys, definitely need to check out MatterportRealEstateTours.com. This is our Matterport brand specifically to Momentum 360. So we do Matterport virtual tours all over the United States. These are two micro brands that my team, specifically Mac Frederick, my business partner, created to really just get more brand recognition for our big fish at Momentum 360 and Momentum Digital, the two main flagship agencies. So guys, go check all that stuff out. Really quick vid. I just wanted to give a big announcement this week. This is what we're going to be adding to our service page pretty soon. So we're going to be doing weddings now. So this is pretty exciting. Like I said, summer's here, and it's the perfect opportunity to strike while the iron's hot in this niche. So if you have any questions, let me know. Always email info@momentumvirtualtours.com, or you can simply give us a call at our Philly number on 215-607-6482. If you have any questions whatsoever, you just want to talk, get mentoring, how to buy, create my own virtual tour company, whatever you want to discuss, I'd be happy to talk to you personally. So guys, thank you so much. Have a great week, and we'll get after it. All right. Talk soon. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye-bye.